So another angle that works really well for like testimonials in the subject line, I'll put like a little one in parentheses. Like, oh, actually, I'll just throw it here so you can see it.
Mhm.
Actually, I'll put it in the comments just so it doesn't like disrupt anything. So the subject line would be like new message from, I don't know what this guy's name is. I don't know if that's his actual name, but we'll
His
just
name is
call him like,
Pasha.
it is? Okay, cool. Tough time spelling. But anyway, a really good subject line would be like the little one, because it looks like a notification on like social media. And then you'd say like new message from, and then whatever the person's name is, and then you just put a screenshot of the person's testimonial. And do that because it looks super personal. And then just kind of like talk about, their experience and tell their story.